but I might have already hit a 10. I don't think I have. Right, so we're back at Santapod today. I come here a few weeks ago for the BMW show. Just done a little family day out, took Kai with me. That was amazing. But today we're in the Audi R8. I thought this event was on. I think it's an Empire event today, organised by Chiro. A little collab with Chiro and Empire. And obviously I've got the R8 in a minute. We all know it ain't going to be in my life for too long. So whilst I've got it, I thought I'd get up and do some runs in it. So got no idea what time I'm going to be doing. I don't know, there's so many crazy cars here, loads of GTRs here. Ricky's here in his GTR. Yeah, there's some mental cars here, but sub 11 would be good, but I don't want to cane the my car, but we'll see. Alright, so let's, my friend just pulled up in his Porsche 911 Turbo as well. That looks sick. Let's just get on it. So we just went to do our first run, but because Adam's been fighting around all day with his camera, it's actually lunchtime now. So I have got my packed lunch. It is warm, but let's hope I don't get food poisoning.
Look how many cars there are.
I am the originator of On It. Right, mate? Yeah, good man. Thanks, man. Thanks, man. Good man. Right, so we're going to head out for our first run in the R8. I'm actually going to try and get out in my friend's Porsche 911 Turbo. I think that's stage 1 tune, it's about 700 brake horsepower, and it's convertible, so I reckon I'll stand more of a chance of getting my head with a helmet on inside his car. It's actually there, look. So he's a car trader, he's the guy who I bought this car off, and he's like, Cal, you need to sell the R8 and buy the Porsche. He's trying to push me into buying the Porsche off him, but it's a bit too much money for me. I think I'm a bit skinned for that. But yeah, helmet. That's what I've got to try and do. I've got to try and wear my helmet in this car. The car's tight as it is. How the bloody hell? I'm not going to get a helmet, but let's try it. Yeah, let's try it. Right, so the idea of this event, by the way, is to try and find the fastest car of the day. I don't think I've got the fastest car of the day, but... Oh, mate, it's hot in here. It's hot in here. But yeah, there's definitely a hell of a lot more faster cars than me. 610 horsepower for those that don't know. But there's cars here that are running 1,000 horsepower more than that. Now, this is a joke. I'm in. Oh my god. Well, I'm in. I'm definitely in. I'm just gonna have to sort of slouch a little bit. I think I'll be alright.
A few moments later.
Oh, I just pulled a muscle in my stomach. I'm not even joking. Oh.
Are you alright?
Yeah, I'm alright. This is it, run number 1. Look at that view, man. What's the line? Come back. Keep coming back. A little bit more. Hold it there, close
cruise windows, mate. Cheers.
Ready? We're off! Look at that! Whoa! Done! We've just hit 130 mile an hour as we went over the line. Got a GTR next to me. Not sure what sort of power that's running. I think he was a bit slow off the line. Such an exciting experience that is. Oh my god. Fingers crossed. I've got less than 11 seconds. I think I was pretty good off the line there. I'm not sure. Right, so at this point I've got no idea what I've done on run number 1. No idea at all. It felt like a good run. I was off the line pretty well, and yeah, I was flat the whole way through. So the way I've been doing it is I've got a little race button on the steering wheel here, and select the race button, put it in launch, leave the gearbox in sports mode, does it all for you. So yeah, it's a very easy car to do drag racing in. What else was I going to say? I think that's it. I've got my draggy box on the go as well, just as an idea of what we do 20 to 70 today. Obviously I've done that draggy video recently, so I already know what it does 20 to 70 mile an hour in, but you never know, there might be a difference on the track today, so we'll have a look at that as well. This is me, I'm next up. Race button on. Look at that for a view. Let me get a photo of that. It's amazing. This is it. That's it. Ready. We're on launch. Just waiting for him to get on his line. He's on his line. Wheel spin. GTR again. We're beating. We're flat. About 125 over the line there, I think. We beat the GTR. I need to have a chat with that GTR owner, see what sort of power he's running. I did notice as we took off the line there was a little bit of wheel spin, so that probably would have gone against us. We're running P0 tyres, which possibly ain't the best. We shouldn't really have any traction issues, obviously being full drive, but there was definitely a little bit of a traction issue as we headed off the mark there. So I would guess that that was a slower time, but obviously I don't know until you lot probably know because you've seen the video, but I don't know at this stage. M5, yeah? Right, here we go, run number 3. We've got an M5 next to us. Got a feeling he's got something hiding under that bonnet. Right, got race button on. Here we go. There's the line. Mad experience this is, I tell you. If you've never done it, you need to do it. Don't matter what car you do it in, it's just as exciting as anything. Honestly, it's just such a cool experience. Yeah? Oh. Don't think that was as good. It kind of threw me off that there was no one next to me. Oh man. .70 was 3.27 seconds. Now I know this car can do it quicker than that, so I know full well I can do a better run. Whatever that time was there, I can do a better run than that, and I will. We're doing run number 4 now, yeah? Thumbs up. It's good vibes here, man. Just good vibes all round. It's wicked. Temperatures are all good, I suppose. It's quite hot. But I spoke to Jürgen actually. You know Jürgen from JM Imports, who's done Ricky's car. And I was like, do you reckon it's alright to just take your R8 on track and launch it a few times throughout the day, and he said, mate, them cars are over-engineered. They just don't go wrong. Touch wood. We'll see, but yeah, they're apparently super reliable. I know they are anyway, but I was a bit unsure about doing multiple runs today, but yeah, it seems to be spot on. So yeah, all good, man. I think I might make this my last run of the day because the queue to get back on the track is just so long. There's a lot of cars here today, but we'll see. I'm kind of running out of time. So this is run number 4. Hopefully it's the best one of the lot. I've got Draggy on the go again as well. We'll see what it does 20 to 70 in as well. Thank you. Right, this is it. Shot there. Shots. Here we go. Now, come on. At this point, I've not seen any of my runs, so I'm trying to hit a 10. But I might have already hit a 10. I don't think I have. No, that was not a perfect run. And it was very good. Let's really look at what Draggy's saying. Well, I should just set Draggy up as quarter mile really, but I can't bother to mess around with the settings, and I'd rather stay for the excitement. But 20 to 70 then was a little bit quicker. I don't know why I'm telling you about 27. I should have set this up as quarter mile, but it's kind of irrelevant really what this says. It's all about what that screen says at Santa Pod. So I think what we'll do now is we'll probably jump out and have a look at my track times and see what time I've done. Right, so at this stage of the video, you lot might already know what times I've done, but I don't actually know. So at Santa Pods, at the end of the day, if you can go to reception and they give you like a printout of all your times. So I'm going to do it now. I might be disappointed, I might be happy, I don't know. I know I've done 11.3 on one run, that's run number 2, but let's go see what the pace is saying. UXK, hopefully. I'm the winning one, I think that's the one I am. The fastest one of the day. Right then, here is the golden ticket. The Santa Pod printout, quarter mile, run 1. I've just seen all my runs already. Oh man, run 1 was 11.30, run 2 was 11.36, that's the one I obviously already knew about. Run 3 was 11.52, and then run 4, which was the one I just done there, that was the fastest one of the lot, and I've done it 11.06. I didn't quite hit the 10 mark. I wanted to see a 10, but you know what? That's actually the quickest I've ever gone down the Santa Pod quarter mile, because I think I've done it in my GTR a few years back. I've done it in my RS6 as well a couple of years ago, and they're obviously both tune cars. This thing is, I keep saying, stock, 610 horsepower from factory, straight on the drag strip, and it's just done 11 seconds flat almost. So yeah, absolutely rate this car. Shout out to Chiro and Empire as well. They're putting on an amazing meet today. There's been some serious cars here. I think Ricky got, I'm sure his first run was something like 8.7.
8.1.
8.1?
I think so, yeah.
I think he's done multiple runs. I don't know what his final time was, but surely he's got to be up there with the quickest cars here. But in a nutshell, I'm a petrol head. I'm at Santa Pod. I've had an amazing day. The R8's been brilliant. It's a great all-rounder. It's like the Golf R of the supercar world, that thing is. It's just so easy to drive, it's just spot on. But anyway, gonna leave it as that. I've got to get home. Thanks very much for watching. I hope you liked this video. If you did like this video, do me a favour, hit that bloody like button. And if you're new to my channel, hit subscribe for a new video every Wednesday and Sunday at 6 o'clock. See you later, boys. And if you're on Instagram, noisy cars everywhere here, give me a follow on Instagram at Calvin's Car Diary. I'll see you in my next video, alright? Bye. In the next episode of Diary of a Car Trader, I've got an update for you on one of my project cars. To find out which project car it is, check back in on Sunday at 6 o'clock.